Hello everyone, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today in this video we will see about what is half adder and its truth table and its logic diagram. Okay. Previously we had seen some what is combination circuits, and in that video I explained what is combination circuits. Okay, and how it works with the example. So going on further, we will see about what is what is half adder. Okay. Let's start the video. In this video, we will see about what is half adder. Okay. Okay. First, it's someone asks what is half adder, which circuit will comes under like a combination or sequential as means. If someone asks means you can confidently tell it's a combination circuit. Okay. Half adder means okay adding two binary digits. Okay, like 1 1 0 1 1 1 sorry 1 1 0 1 1 0, like that we are adding two binary digits. Okay, and its output is like a two. One is like sum, second one is carry. Okay, sum is like adding two binary digits. Okay, we will get the sum. Carry is like when the sums are exceeding one, so it's comes under carry. Like I will make points. First point is it is a combination circuit. Combination circuit. Second one is it will add. It will add two binary 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 digits or binary bit. Anyone? Okay. Binary bit. Binary digits. Okay. It's zero, one, zeros, and ones. Zero and one. Next, third point is it has uh, it has two outputs. I previously said two outputs. One is sum. Sum is adding. We will output when we add two binary digits. Second one is carry. Carry is whenever if the sum exceeds one, this is called carry. Like 1 1, we will get the sum as 0, carry as 1. This is called carry. Next, uh, it has some limitations. In half adder, the whenever the previous inputs are whenever the previous inputs have carry, it can't accept that next value. So at that time, we will use full adder. It has some limitations. It has some limitations. We can simply tell in half adder. Half adder, the previous value should not be carry. Previous value should not be carry. This is about the half adder, and we will see uh, truth table and its example. I will move to note. Okay, this is the truth table of half adder. I said whenever we adding two binary digits, we will get two outputs, sum and carry. Like whenever we are adding, is it okay? Whenever adding 0 0, two binary digit 0 0, we will get the sum 0 and carry also same 0. And this is 0 1 2 and 3. You know that 0 0 0 sum, and input A is 0, input B is 1, 0 1. We will get the sum as 1 and carry 0. So because there is no only one is there, no problem. In this also same, A1 B0. So we will get that sum 1 and carry 0. But in the last one, I will erase that. Okay. In the last one, see, A also B, A also 1, B also 1. Two ones are there. So we will get the sum 0 and carry will be 1. Like 1, 1. So carry will be, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. So this is sum, this is 1. This is sum, this is carry. Let's see that logic diagram. Before seeing that logic diagram, we should understand that we should see the values what we are getting. See, in sum we are getting like XOR gate values. Whenever one of the input is one, okay, whenever one of the input is high, we are getting that output as high. Remaining terms are zero. This is called XOR gate example. And whenever the both inputs are one, the output is one. One means high. That is called AND gate. Okay, see here, 1 1, but the carry is 1, which in which part means both inputs are 1, so we are getting that output 1. And we can mention sum is A XOR B and carry is A and B. Like that, half adder works. This is the logic diagram. This is XOR gate, this is AND gate. Both we are giving two inputs, and sum is XOR gate, and carry is AND gate. Two inputs we are giving. This support that half adder. I mentioned one condition. The input should not be carry. So that the next, okay, if the previous inputs, if it carry means it can't get that value. So we need to go to that full adder. Okay, in that part there is no previous inputs. Okay, previous inputs are zero only, no problem. Whenever there is previous input, that time we should go to full adder. This is about that half adder and its logic diagram and truth table. And I will repeat that points. What is half adder means? It is a combination circuit, and it will add two binary bit or binary digits, and it's two outputs. One is like a sum, and second one is carry. Sum is we are adding two binary digits, and carry is whenever if the sum exits, okay, 1. So at the time we will get carry. And so one limitation is half adder. In half adder, previously we should not have carry. Should not have carry. That's the limitations also. And upcoming videos, next video will be a full adder. Next like half full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, like that video, like that combination circuit videos will one by one will come. Okay, so don't skip the videos. Watch continuously so that you can understand easily. Okay, if any doubts, ask in the comment section. Okay, thank you from everyone, and see you in the next video. Bye from Madan. Bye.